How to change your Discord bio. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can change your Discord bio and set a custom status. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up Discord on your mobile phone or your PC. After that, what you have to do is you will simply go to this profile option right here at the bottom right of your screen. Simply open up your profile, and in here you can simply go to user profile and you will be able to add your bio. In about me, you can simply add anything you want to. You can also insert emojis or whatever you want to. Once you have selected your about me, then you will simply go back and it will be saved. Then you will simply click on save and this about me will be saved on your Discord. Another way to set a custom status, you can simply go ahead and click on set status, go to set a custom status, and in here you can simply go ahead and add anything you want to and click on save. Your custom status will be saved on Discord. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to add a bio on your Discord. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.